Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best portable clothes closets that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the VTRIN portable closet. This freestanding wardrobe is designed to maximize storage space while taking up minimal room, making it an excellent choice for bedrooms, dorms, or apartments. It features a massive 67-inch width with 4 hanging rods, 4 storage shelves, and side pockets for smaller items like scarves and accessories. The black non-woven fabric cover is both breathable and waterproof, ensuring your clothes are protected from dust and moisture. When it comes to design and build quality, the VTRIN stands out with its sturdy steel frame and reinforced plastic connectors. The overall structure feels solid, with each hanging rod supporting up to 33 pounds and the shelves holding up to 15 pounds each. However, at 8.6 pounds, it's lighter than some competitors, which might make it less stable if overloaded. Assembly is straightforward, thanks to the detailed instructions and included installation video. While the VTRIN offers ample storage and versatility, its bulkier size might not be suitable for smaller spaces. Additionally, some users have reported that the fabric cover feels a bit thin. Overall, this is an excellent option for those needing a large, affordable storage solution, but it may not be the best choice for those prioritizing portability or a compact design. At number 4, we have the Asuka Portable Clothes Closet, which is a versatile wardrobe designed with convenience and flexibility in mind. Featuring a hanging rack for longer garments and 3 drawer boxes for folded clothes, this is an ideal portable closet for those who need a mix of hanging and drawer storage. It also includes a zippered dust-proof cover to keep your clothes protected and a water-resistant fabric for easy cleaning. The Asuka scores high in terms of design and build quality, with an eco-friendly non-woven fabric cover, durable steel tubing, and sturdy plastic connectors. It's slightly heavier than some competitors at 10.98 pounds, which contributes to its stability. Users love the no-tool assembly, which makes it quick and easy to set up in minutes. However, the hanging rack's weight limit of 33 pounds means it's best suited to lighter loads, such as shirts and dresses. This closet is perfect for small rooms, walk-in closets, or temporary storage needs. While it's a great all-rounder, some users have mentioned that the drawers feel a bit flimsy and may not hold up to heavier items. If you're looking for an affordable yet functional option with a mix of hanging and drawer storage, the Asuka is worth considering. Coming in at number 3 is the SORCEDAS Portable Wardrobe Closet. This compact yet spacious option measures 34.6 inches wide and 66.1 inches tall, offering 4 shelves for folded clothing and 2 hanging rods for dresses, coats, or shirts. The black, non-woven fabric cover is dust-proof and resistant to dirt, making it a practical choice for long-term use and easy maintenance. The SORCEDAS stands out for its sturdy construction, featuring a thickened iron pipe frame and reinforced plastic connectors. At just 7.85 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to move, yet it provides a surprising amount of durability and stability. Assembly is straightforward, thanks to the numbered parts and clear instructions. Users appreciate how intuitive and quick it is to set up. While the SORCEDAS is a fantastic space-saving solution, its narrower width makes it better suited for smaller spaces or lighter storage needs. Some users have noted that the hanging rods may not support heavier coats as well as some larger models. Nonetheless, its affordable price point and practical design make it an excellent choice for dorm rooms, apartments, or as a temporary storage solution. Our runner-up is the LOKEME Wardrobe Closet, a heavy-duty storage solution that combines style, durability, and functionality. Measuring 51.7 inches wide and 70.6 inches tall, it offers 3 hanging rods, 6 storage shelves, and 4 side pockets for accessories. The zippered non-woven fabric cover keeps your clothes safe from dust while maintaining a sleek and modern look. In terms of build quality, the LOKEME is top-notch. The reinforced steel pipes are thicker than most competitors, ensuring a stable and sturdy structure. Weighing 14.17 pounds, it's the heaviest option on this list, which adds to its durability but may make it less portable. Assembly is a breeze, with clear instructions and additional parts provided just in case. The LOKEME is ideal for larger households or those needing a long-term storage option. However, its larger size might not be the best fit for smaller spaces. While it's slightly more expensive than some competitors, the premium materials and design make it a worthwhile investment for those seeking a durable, spacious, and stylish portable closet. Taking the top spot on our list is the Whitmor Extra Wide Clothes Closet, a perfect blend of affordability, quality, and functionality. Measuring 60 inches wide and 64 inches tall, it provides ample space for all your hanging and folded clothes. The white, non-woven fabric cover includes a clear plastic window, allowing you to easily see the contents of your closet while protecting them from dust and dirt. The Whitmor excels in design and build quality. Its steel frame and sturdy plastic connectors offer excellent stability, and the lightweight construction makes it easy to move around. The fabric cover is easy to clean and maintain, and the included instructions make assembly quick and painless. At 10.21 pounds, it strikes a great balance between portability and stability. The Whitmor is perfect for anyone seeking a budget-friendly, reliable storage solution. While it may lack some of the extra features of more expensive models, such as drawers or side pockets, its simplicity is its strength. Whether you need a temporary wardrobe or additional storage in a guest room, this closet offers unbeatable value at its price point of just $40.77. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.